Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome to Kadina's YouTube videos once again to the Kadina's Craft Box. I'm going to tell you how to make a Ramadan focus corner. I've built this corner up over the month of Ramadan. The focus wall tells a story of the month of Ramadan. We've built up the Ramadan moon, we've built up the hanging Arabic alphabet revelations and the fanus and a dropping angel. With this, we have the vision of the sky. When a child or anybody looks at this wall, inshallah they'll be able to retell a story just by what's been put together. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. And as always, please comment, let me know what you think. Subscribe if you haven't already and share the video. Angels descend beyond the clouds in the sky, so I've used a long net to create that effect. Behind this, I've placed my other craft displays. I've put the nets on an extendable rail. I've chosen chrome so it doesn't stand out so much. After spreading out the net across the rail, I gather from the centre to the side. This is for a layered effect. I've used camouflage white elastic to keep this in place. After spreading out the net across the top of the rail again, I have strong gold lace, safety pinned to the right size, that I want to wrap around the gather. This is then secured to the wall with a self-adhesive hook. The Ramadan focus wall is finally complete, with the discreetly gathered netted sky drawn together in gold lace. Beyond this, you have the hanging Arabic alphabet revelations, the well-lit Ramadan moon in a cluster of gold stars and fanned clouds, the descending angel with wings spread out holding the revelation, and the fanus set slightly away from the wall to add a shadow, with the standing lamp to give that light effect. I've chosen an alcove to set this focus wall. Where would you put yours? Let me know in the comments below, and don't forget to like and share and subscribe. To know how to make any of the other craft displays, check in the description below. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.